areas of a sector and the segment of a circle. See, areas of a sector. What is the areas of a sector? What is the area of sector? See, consider this circle and with the center O. If I draw in two radii, okay, two radii to this circle. Let us assume this point is A and another one is point B. The OA and OB are the two radii. Okay. So next, see here the area is formed. Okay, this is what an area of sector. Okay, this is in sector is here. OAB is in sector. Okay, of a circle. Okay. See what is in sector? Sector of a circle. Sector of a circle. See. Sector of a circle. This is a region enclosed by the two radii and corresponding arc is called a sector of a circle. What is in sector of a circle? The region enclosed by the two radii and the corresponding arc is called a sector of a circle. Sector of a circle. Here OAB is a sector. Okay. So next is a segment. Segment of a circle. Now I draw another one circle. Okay. So this circle with center O. Okay. If I draw one card, you just assume this is an AB. AB is a card. Okay. Here the area is enclosed by the corresponding one arc and one chord AB. Okay. So here this point P. Okay. The APB is a segment of a circle. APB is a segment of a circle. See what is a segment of a circle? What is a segment of a circle? How can you define? See, this is an area enclosed by the one chord and corresponding arc is called a segment of a circle. Okay, the region enclosed by the one chord and corresponding arc is known as a segment of a circle. Here the segment of a circle is an APB. Okay, APB. So these are the meaning of a sector and segment of a circle. Okay, so what about their areas? Okay, see before going to the area, here one angle is formed. Okay, so this angle AOB is called a sector of angle of a sector. Okay, so this angle AOB is called a sector of a angle of sector. Okay. Now, next then areas. What about their areas? How to calculate the areas of these regions? Now we find the area of the sector of a circle. Okay. The areas of sector of a circle. Area of sector of a circle. What is this area? See, here there is no derivations to the formulas of areas of a sector of a circle. Just you remember the formula. Okay. So what is the formula? See, area of sector of angle theta. See this angle I call it as in theta. Okay. Theta. Okay. The area of sector of angle theta. Okay. What is the area? Okay. What is the area? Area is area of sector of an angle theta equals to theta by 360 into pi r square. Okay. So where theta is the angle of sector. Okay. And 360 degree. Okay. Okay. Next to pi means 3.142. R is the radius of a circle. Okay. By use of this formula, we can calculate the area of a sector of a circle. Okay. Similarly, we can calculate the segment of a circle. A segment of a circle. Area of segment. Area of segment of the circle. Circle is theta by 360 degree into 2 pi r. Okay, 2 pi r. Okay. By use of these two formula, we can calculate the respective areas. Okay. See, these are the two formulas. There is no derivation as to your content. Okay, just you remember these two formulas during the solving the problems. Next. See, another one thing. See, this AOB, sorry, you just assume here on point P. Okay. Like how the point P is in the segment of a circle. Okay. Here also on point P. Okay. The OAPB is a sector. Okay. The OAPB is a sector. Okay. Here APB is a segment. Okay. What is the? See, this is an minor sector. What? This is a sector. Okay. This is also sector. Yes. This is also a sector. Okay. This is also sector. See, what is a sector? From our definition, the sector of a circle is formed by the two radii and one corresponding arc. Okay. So here also two radii, one corresponding arc. Okay. This is also a sector. But this is a major sector. What? Major sector. This is what? Major sector. This is also sector, but it is a major sector. Major sector. Okay. So this is what? Minor sector. Minor sector. Okay. See here also. What is the segment of a circle? From our definition, the segment of a circle is formed by the one chord and corresponding arc. Corresponding arc is what a segment of a circle. See, this is an arc. This is one arc and one chord. This is also a segment. Okay, but it is a major segment. What? This is what? The major segment. Major segment. And this is a minor segment. What? Minor segment. Okay. See, if we know this angle theta, we can calculate the area of sector of an angle theta. We can calculate this area. Okay. If you don't know this area, if you don't know this angle formed by these two radii, okay, we can calculate. If we know this theta, then we can calculate this. If this angle is not given. Okay. See what I am going to tell you. If this theta is not given, if this angle is not given, if this theta is given, minor sector angle is given, then we can calculate this area of the major segment. We can calculate the area of the major sector. Okay. Similarly, we can calculate also the segment. Okay. So this is a major segment. This is minor segment. This is major sector. This is a minor sector. Major segment, minor segment. Okay. So now area of area of major segment, major sector, sorry, major sector. What is the area of major sector? Okay. So earlier we find what the area of the minor sector. Okay. So by use of formula, now the area of the major sector. This area of major sector is the area of entire circle. Area of entire circle minus this area of the minor sector. Area of minor sector. Area of minor sector. Okay. Next, if you want to calculate the area of major segment, area of major segment, area you consider you have to subtract this area circle, okay, with this minor segment. Okay, area of major segment is entire circular area pi r square minus pi r square minus the area of the minor segment. Area of minor segment. Area of minor segment. Minor segment. So these are two formulas. So these two formulas are to calculate the area of major sector and the area of the major segment. Okay, by use of these two formulas we can calculate. Okay, so next is worked examples. Now the first question, worked example. So now the exercise and 12.2 exercise 12.2. Okay. So first one is find the area of a sector of a circle with radius 6 cm if the angle of sector is 60 degree. Okay. Find the area of sector of a circle with radius 6 cm. Given a solution. Here the given radius is 6 cm. Okay. And the angle of sector is theta equals to 60 degree. Okay. So to find what? The area of sector. Okay, area of sector. First, the area of sector formula. The area of sector of angle theta equals to theta by 360 into pi r square. Theta is given 60 degree by 360 into pi is 22 by 7 into r square. R radius is 6. Okay, 6 into 6 r 6 square. Here 0 0 get cancel. 6 1 ja 6 6 ja 6 1 ja 6 1 ja 22 into 6 is 132 by 7 centimeter square. The area of sector of an angle theta is 132 by 7 centimeter square. Okay, so this is the first problem. second problem. Do it as homework. Find the area of quadrant of a circle whose circumference is 22 centimeter. Okay. So second one problem. Find the area of a quadrant of a circle whose circumference is 22 centimeter. Find the area of quadrant of a circle. See, find the area of the quadrant of a circle whose circumference is 22 centimeter. Given circumference C equals to 22 centimeter. See, quadrant, area of the quadrant you have to calculate. Okay, so this is a circle, okay, with center O. If we divide this circle into 4 portions, okay, like this. This is on first quadrant, second quadrant, third quadrant, fourth quadrant. Okay. So what is the area of this quadrant? Any one quadrant. Okay. So by use of these two radii, we can calculate the area of sector of this quadrant. Okay. So the angle between these two radii is how much? See, if the 360 degree is divided into 4 quadrant. 360 degree is divided into 4 quadrant. Then each quadrant is getting a 90 degree. How much? 90 degree. Okay. Okay. See. The angle of to find area of a sector. Okay. Each quadrant angle is equal to 360 degree divided by 4, nothing but 90 degree. Okay. The area of a sector, area of quadrant, area of sector of a quadrant. Quadrant equal to theta by 360 into pi r square. Okay. So theta is 90 by 360 into pi is 22 by 7 into radius. Now we have to calculate. See here, circumference is given. Circumference means 2 pi r. Okay. So circumference is what? 2 pi r. So in rough calculation, circumference is 2 pi r. Okay. So see how much? 22. 22 equals 2 into pi into r. 2 ones are 2 11s are. So r equals to pi by 11. R equals to pi by 11. In place of radius r, you write pi by 11. Pi by 11. Okay. Into pi by 11. Because r square. Okay. Or else you write pi by 11 whole square. Okay. So next. This zero get cancelled. 9 1 ja, 9 4 ja. Okay. So 2 2s are 2 11s are. Okay. 11 1s are 11 1s are. Another one 11 remains. 2 pi square. Remaining is what? Pi square. Pi square divided by 11, and this 7 also. 7 2 ja 14. Okay. So 1 by 14. So pi square by so 11 into 14 is 154. So pi square. So the area of this quadrant is pi square by 154 centimeter square. Okay. Next. The third one, the length of the minute hand of a clock is 14 centimeter. Find the area swept by the minute hand in the 5 minutes. Now you have to calculate area swept by minute hand, okay, in 5 minutes. Okay, how many? What is the area is covered by the minute hand? Okay, in 5 minutes. Okay. Means see here the given is the length of minute hand. See this is an clock with this minute hand is 12 3 6 9. Okay, 1 2 4 5 7 8 10 11. Okay, suppose this is an minute hand. Okay. If it covers this 5 minutes, okay, if it covers this 5 minutes, okay, like, okay, what is the area swept by this minute hand? Okay, what is this area? Okay, so here the 5 minutes, it covers a 5 minutes. Okay, what is the angle between this 5 minutes? Okay, so given is the minute hand length. Minute hand length is 14 centimeter. Means what? Its radius is given. Radius is 14 centimeter. Okay. So now you calculate the area swept by minute hand. Okay. So first you calculate the this angle. Okay. So the angle equal to 360 degree. Okay, 360 degree. Okay, the angle of this entire circle is 360 degree divided by, okay, 360 divided by 5 minutes. 360 degree and 1 minute equals to 60 minutes. Okay, into 5 minutes. Okay. 0 0 get cancel. 6 1 ja, 6 6 ja, 6 5 ja, 30. 30 degree. Okay. What? Okay. So here the area swept by this minute hand and that creates an angle on 30 degree. Okay, so what 30 degree. Okay, this is what is theta. Then what about the area swept by the minute hand? The area equals to pi r square by theta by 360 into pi r square. Okay, here the theta is 30 degree. Okay, divided by 360 degree. Okay, into pi r square. Pi is 22 by 7 into radius is 14 into 14. Okay, 14 square, nothing more than 14. 0 get cancel. 3 ones are 3 twos are. Okay, 12 ones are no. 2 11s are 2 6s are. Okay, 7 ones are 7 twos are. 22 into 14, 2 threes are 2 sevens are. Okay, so 11 twos are 22 into 7 by 3 means how much? 7 twos are 14 into 14, 15 and 53 by 3, 154 by 3 centimeter square. How much? Centimeter square. Square units, you write down square unit. Square units. Okay. So this is the area swept by the minute hand. Okay. Therefore you write down an area swept by minute hand and is 154 by 3 square units. Okay, so tomorrow we will continue this. Thank you.